Hi there, today I'll show you the steps of how to cook crunchy chicharon. First, wash pig skin well with water. In a large pot, I put water enough to soak the pig skin. I added some whole black pepper, crushed cloves of garlic, sliced ginger, a couple of bay leaves, and some salt. Put into boil for 30 minutes until the skin is soft and swelled up. So like this, and drain well. When they cool off, you can start cutting them with a pair of scissors. So for me, I cut them into 1 by 2 inches, lay them evenly on a drying rack, and with a baking tray underneath to catch the fat oil. I made about 3 trays of them. So I set my oven to 300 degrees centigrades for about 1 to 2 hours until they are dry. You just want to extract the oil out of the pig skin. So as you can see, some fat oil has been extracted out of it, and I will be using this oil to fry eventually later. Now, getting ready for the first fry. I set the fire to medium and heat the oil in a pot. So when oil is hot, I start putting a couple of handful of dried pig skin. So here, and just make sure you keep mixing to evenly cook them. And as soon as you see the skin is popping, so check them out right now. It's almost. And you can start picking them up and putting them in a strainer and drain them well. You see, so this is how you cook them. And continue mixing. It's also the key, okay? And here the end result of the first fry. So cool them off before the second fry. So I reheated the oil in the same pot I used from the first one. This time it takes about 3 to 5 minutes to fry to maximize the crunch. Make sure you continue to mix until they are ready. And they're set to be they're about to set to be taken out of the oil now. So I will add some salt and a pinch of MSG to taste. We love dipping chicharon with in a spicy vinegar, or eat as it is. We also put them in some mango soup or pulutan for boys out there. So here, hope you learn from this clip. Make sure do not eat too much of it, okay? Enjoy and thank you for watching.